इंडियाज कल्चरल रूट इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर की रीडिंग करते हैं। बिग क्वेश्चन से शुरू करते हैं। व्हाट आर द वेदाज एंड व्हाट इज देयर मैसेजेस? वेद क्या है, उनके मैसेज क्या है? द वेदाज आर ए कलेक्शन ऑफ एंशिएंट स्क्रिप्चर टेक्स्ट दैट फॉर्म द फाउंडेशन ऑफ हिंदुइज्म. They consist of four main texts: Rigveda, Samveda, Yajurveda, and Atharveda. These texts contain hymns, ritual, prayers, and philosophical teachings that explore the nature of the universe, the role of gods, and the duties of individuals. Their message, their primary message focus on spiritual knowledge, the importance of moral conduct, and the relationship between human and the divine. Question 2 grading. What new schools of thoughts emerged in India in the first millennium BCE? And what are their core principles? Answer in the first millennium BCE, before Common Era BC, several new school of thoughts emerged in India, including Buddhism, Jainism, and various philosophical traditions, like the Upanishads. Buddhism क्या है? Thought the four noble truths and the eightfold path, emphasizing the cessation of suffering and the attainment of nirvana through ethical living, meditation, and wisdom. Jainism promoted non-violence, अहिंसा जिसे बोलते हैं, truthfulness and strict ascetic practices to achieve liberation from the cycle of rebirth. Upanishad philosophy focused on the nature of reality and the self, Atma, teaching that the individual soul is connected to the universal soul, Brahman, and that knowledge leads to liberation. Question 3. What is the contribution of all and tribal traditions to Indian culture? Folk and tribal traditions have significantly enchanted Indian culture by preserving unique customs, art forms, and religious practices. These traditions offer a deep connection to nature and local environments, as seen in their festival, dances, and oral literature. Folk and tribal contributions including vibrant art, music, and storytelling that reflect the everyday life, struggles, and celebration of the people. Their influence can be seen in various aspects of mainstream culture, from regional festivals to crafts and spiritual practices, enhancing the cultural diversity of India. Let's explore. Do you know the term of a society and where people select their leaders? And how do you think people can benefit from such a situation? What could happen if they lived under leaders that they did not choose? Hint है, think back to what you were learning in the theme governance and democracy. Write your thought in the paragraph of 100 to 150 words. A society where people selected their leader and called a democracy. डेमोक्रेसी उसको कहते हैं जो सोसाइटी पीपल को सेलेक्ट करती है. इन ए डेमोक्रेसी citizens have the power to choose their representative through voting, ensuring that the leaders are accountable to the people. This system benefits individuals as they can voice their opinions, influence decisions that affect their lives, and participate in the shaping the future of their society. Democratic governance also promotes equality, freedom of expression, and the protection of rights. However, if people live under leaders they did not choose, especially in authoritarian or non-democratic system, they may face restriction on their freedom, and there may be little to no accountability, and leaders might make decisions that could reflect the needs and desire of the people, leading to dissatisfaction, social unrest, and potentially a lack of progress for society. Democracy encourages active participation and ensure that leadership is a reflection of the people's will. Next question. Have you heard or read any other story that conveyed an important message? What values did it teach us? Yes. One well-known story that conveys an important message is The Tortoise and the Hare from Aesop's Fable. This story teaches the value of perseverance, patience, and the humility. In the story, the hare, overconfident in his speed, mocks the slow tortoise and assumes he will easily win his race. However, the hare becomes complacent and takes a nap, while the tortoise steadily moves forward without giving up. In the end, the tortoise wins the race, proving that slow and steady efforts can lead to success. This story teaches us that consistency and determination are more valuable than overconfidence or rushing through tasks. अभी इसमें फोटो दिखाई गई है बुद्धा की. तो डिस्कस द वे द बुद्धा इज डिपिक्टेड इन द अबव पैनल. इस पैनल में बुद्धा किस प्रकार से डिपिक्टेड किया गया है. द स्टोन पैनल डिपिक्ट्स द बुद्धा इन अ टीचिंग पोस्चर. एक इसमें शिक्षा देते हुए बुद्धा को दिखाया गया है, महात्मा बुद्ध को, सराउंडेड बाय डिसिपल्स. जो डिसिपल उनके अनुयायी वो उनको घेरे हुए. द बुद्धा इज शोइंग स्टैंडिंग विथ ए सीरीन एक्सप्रेशन. एक पवित्र एक्सप्रेशन किए हुए हैं. एंड पॉसिबली गिविंग टीचिंग एज हिज हैंड जेस्चर अपीयर टू इंडिकेट टीचिंग मोमेंट्स. और जेस्चर्स के साथ उनको कोई टीचिंग शिक्षा दे रहे हैं हाव भाव के साथ. द अदर फिगर इन द पैनल आर आइदर लिसनिंग अटेंटिवली और ऑफरिंग जेस्चर टू अवर reverence, showing the high regard they hold for the Buddha. This depiction highlight the Buddha's role as a spiritual teacher and guide. इसमें जो लोग और इसके अनुयायी हैं वो हाथ जोड़े हुए इनकी तरफ देख रहे हैं और इनको नमन कर रहे हैं. Can you name some state of India or some other countries where Buddha is a major religion even today? Try to plot these on a world map. Okay. Answer इसका regarding countries and state where Buddhism is a major religion today in India. State like Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh have significant Buddhist population. Other countries जो हैं Buddhism is a dominant religion in countries such as Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Cambodia, Laos, Mongolia and Japan. ये इसमें फोटो भी दिया हुआ है इंडिया से, ये तिब्बत, चाइना और इधर जापान, कोरिया, ब्रह्मा, जावा, यहाँ तक बुद्धिज्म, अफगानिस्तान, इंडिया, यहाँ तक भी ये जो बुद्धिज्म था, बौद्ध धर्म फैला था. Observe the above panel from a Jain temple in New Delhi. What is striking about it and what message does it carry? ये जैन धर्म से संबंधित एक मंदिर का पैनल की फोटो है. The panel from the Jain temple in Delhi is quite striking that a lion and a deer drinking peacefully from the same bowl. Means एक हिरण और शेर है, वो सेम पैनल, मतलब एक ही पैनल में, एक ही बाउल में और पानी शांति से पी रहे हैं. This imaginary is symbolic and carries deep message about harmony, non-violence and coexistence. In nature, a lion and a deer are predatory and prey. Yet in this panel, they are shown together in peace, reflecting the Jain philosophy of ahimsa, non-violence and universal compassion. The artwork conveys the message that all beings can live in peace and harmony. It emphasizes the Jain ideas of non-violence toward all living creatures and the possibility of peaceful coexistence in a world often driven by conflict. इसमें दोनों ही जानवर शांति से एक ही बाउल में पानी पीते हुए ये अहिंसा और सह अस्तित्व की भावना के साथ इस फोटो को उकेरा गया है. क्वेश्चन आगे, इफ यू आर नचिकेता, व्हाट क्वेश्चन वुड यू लाइक टू आस्क यामा या यम? राइट देम इन 100 to 150 वर्ड्स. इफ आई वर नचिकेता, I would ask Yam, या Yama, the god of death, Yam, about the nature of life after death. My question might include, ये क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं. What happened to the soul after it leaves the body? Is there an afterlife? And if so, what determines the soul's journey beyond the death? Can human actions influence the nature of their next birth? Or liberation from the cycle of life and death? I would also ask Yama, how one can achieve moksha, liberation, मोक्ष प्राप्ति कैसे हो सकती है, and whether spiritual wisdom or good deeds are the primary path to freedom from the cycle of rebirth. Explain a few certain central ideas of Buddhism. Briefly comment upon them. Buddhism teaches the four noble truths which are central to its philosophy. Life is suffering, यानी जीवन है वो दुख का कारण है. Suffering is caused by desire, इसका कारण तृष्णा है. And the cessation of suffering is possible, और दुख संभव है, दुख तो है. And the path to the cessation of suffering is eightfold path. और जो इसकी दुख का निवारण है वो इसके टीचिंग है, इनको अपनाते हुए दुखों से सुख की प्राप्ति संभव है. दिस पाथ इंक्लूड द राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, समझ, थॉट, स्पीच, एक्शन, लिवलीहुड, एफर्ट, माइंडफुलनेस एंड कंसंट्रेशन. ये 8 अष्टांगिक मार्ग जिनको बताया गया है बौद्ध धर्म में. बुद्धिज्म ऑल्सो एम्फसाइजेज इम्परमानेंस, अनिशा, द आइडिया दैट नथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड इज परमानेंट एंड नॉन सेल्फ, अनंत, meaning there is no external soul or self. These pictures encourage detachment from material desire and lead to a peaceful state of mind. Question 3. Discuss in class the quotation of the Buddha which begins with "Not by water in one made pure." Though many people may bathe here in sacred river, to make sure that its meaning has been understood by all. This quotation by the Buddha, "Not by water is one made pure." Though many people may bathe there in sacred river, reflect his belief that true purity comes not from eternal rituals but from inner moral or spiritual practices. Bathing in sacred river might be a common practice in some religious traditions, but the Buddha emphasized that inner purity achieved through ethical conduct, एक अच्छा व्यवहार है, उसी से हमें जो सुख शांति मिल सकती है. माइंडफुलनेस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज फार मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. Question 4. Explain a few central ideas of Jainism. Briefly comment upon them. Jainism revolves around the principle of ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truthfulness, aparigraha, non-possessiveness, and aste, non-stealing. Ahimsa, the most important principle of Jainism, requires Jain to avoid causing harm to any living being, no matter how small it can be an ant. This principle is reflected in their strict vegetarianism and the careful way of life. Jainism also teaches anektavad, many-sided, the belief that truth and reality are complex and cannot be fully grasped from a single perspective. These ideas promote tolerance and non-violence and simplicity in life. Question 5. Consider and discuss in class Andre Patel thoughts. Page number 122. Andre Patel Andre Betel idea suggests that the different caste and tribe in India have always influenced each other's religious belief and practices. While it is commonly understood that tribal religions have been shaped by Hinduism, Betel point out that Hinduism has also been influenced by tribal tradition, not just in the really early stage, but throughout its history. In class, you can discuss example of how Hinduism adopted practices or belief from tribal traditions, such as the worship of nature or local gods. Similarly, tribal groups have adopted some Hindu practices. This shows that religion in India has evolved through constant interaction and exchange between different groups. Make a list of popular gods and goddess in your region and the festival they are associated with. First of all, दुर्गा पूजा वेस्ट बंगाल दुर्गा की पूजा की जाती है. कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी नॉर्थ इंडिया. गणेश चतुर्थी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर महाराष्ट्र. लक्ष्मी दिवाली ऑल ओवर इंडिया. एज ए क्लास एक्टिविटी, लिस्ट 2 or 3 ट्राइबल ग्रुप फ्रॉम योर रीजन और स्टेट. डॉक्यूमेंट सम ऑफ देयर आर्ट एंड बिलीफ सिस्टम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, गोंड ट्राइब, मध्य प्रदेश का गोंड जो जनजाति है, नॉन फॉर देयर वाइब्रेंट गोंड पेंटिंग विच डिपिक्ट फ्लोरा एंड फना एंड माइथोलॉजी. संथाल ट्राइब झारखंड वेस्ट बंगाल में है, फेमस फॉर देयर ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिक, डांसेज एंड नेचर बेस्ड बिलीफ सिस्टम दैट वर्शिप स्पिरिट्स एसोसिएटेड विद फॉरेस्ट. नेक्स्ट है ट्रू और फॉल्स. द वैदिक हाइम वर रिटन ऑन पाम लीफ मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट. फॉल्स. वैदिक के जो मंत्र हैं वो पाम लीफ पे लिखे हुए हैं. नहीं. द वैदिक हाइम्स वर passed down orally for centuries before being written down, but they were not originally written on palm leaf manuscripts. The Vedas are India's oldest texts. ये सही बात है, true. Vedas are considered the oldest text of India. The Vedic statement ekam sat vipra bahuda Vedanti reflect a belief in the unity of cosmic power. True. The statement का मतलब है truth is one, but the wise speak it in many ways, reflecting a belief in the unity of cosmic power. Buddhism older than the Vedas. False. Buddhism emerged in the 6th century BCE, while the Vedas are much older. 5. Jainism emerged as a branch of Buddhism. False. Jainism is a distinct religion and did not emerge as a branch of Buddhism. Both Buddhism and Jainism advocate for peaceful coexistence and the avoidance of harm to all living beings. Truth. सही बात है. Both religious emphasizes non-violence, अहिंसा, दोनों की बातें करते हैं, and peaceful coexistence, शांतिपूर्ण सहस्तित्व के साथ रहने में विश्वास करते हैं, दोनों ही बुद्धिज्म और जैनिज्म. Tribal belief system are